Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Brittany Lee, and I have a very exciting video for you guys today. I'm gonna be unboxing my brand new Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. Yay! I could not be more excited for this video. I have been wanting this bag since 2016. It's 2025 and I finally got it for myself. Today I'm gonna be unboxing not only my bag, but also some accessories I got to go with it. So you are in for a treat, and so am I. Here she is. Once again, just like last time, I purchased this bag from The RealReal. That's why it's in this kind of box. I'll put up a screen recording of the listing so you can see what I'm looking at. But clearly this is the Louis Vuitton Damier Bean Speedy 30. I got the bandouliere version. It was $1,158. I prefer to buy pre-loved bags because you can save so much money. You just have to be very diligent about what listings you pay attention to. I purchased this bag in very good condition. Minor scratches at hardware, minor patina at hardware, minor scuffs at piping, minor fading at interior, and minor residue at interior. A lot of very minor issues. All right, let's unbox her. This is definitely upside down. I'm not an authenticator, but I know a thing or two about spotting a fake bag. So like, I just like to inspect the dust bag as well as the real bag. I think this is an older dust bag. Oh my goodness. I'm doing my little inspections, don't mind me. Pretty much I'm just checking to make sure all the hardware has the right font and that the stitching looks good. Honestly, you never know when you purchase a bag online, but this one looks fantastic. And this is the little tag from The RealReal, which I'm going to go ahead and remove. She's a little bit smaller than I thought she was gonna be. Obviously they give you the dimensions and everything on The RealReal, but I kept going back and forth between the 25 or the 30, and I'm really, really glad that I went with the 30 because the 25 would have been entirely too small for me. At the beautiful hardware, the handles. The lock is currently attached to the bag. One thing that I noticed upon opening it just now, I don't see the key. It wasn't mentioned in the listing. However, this bag doesn't have a key. It's not in the dust bag. And yeah, there's no key in here. I guess this lock is just permanently on here because the key is not in here. Ooh, this is the strap. I should probably go ahead and attach that, right? I will most likely never use this as a crossbody because I'm just not a crossbody kind of girl. This bag is perfect. The only flaw I've noticed is the patina. Just some of the hardware looks a little questionable, but nobody's gonna be looking that close. I'm not even gonna be looking that close. So this bag is from 2015. It's an older version of the Speedy. This is the one that does not have the zipper on the inner pocket. The inner pocket just looks like that. Bag looks great on the inside. You guys, I'm so happy. I wanted this bag for so long and now she's finally mine. After I ordered the bag, I found something on eBay that felt like it was meant for me. So I splurged a little bit. Oh my gosh. Look what I found. Look at this. Now, if you know, you know. It's nearly impossible to buy just a luggage tag from Louis Vuitton. You need to purchase luggage from them in order to get a luggage tag. So, yeah, I wasn't gonna do that. If you want a luggage tag, your best bet is to go pre-loved. Not only was it very difficult to find the dark brown Damier Bean luggage tag, but I found one already monogrammed with a B. Just a B. I feel like most people do their full initials, which makes it abundantly more difficult to find somebody not only selling the luggage tag you want, but also that shares your same initials. Like, girl, this was so lucky. Now, I paid $100 for this. I don't know if that's a great deal or not, but honestly, I don't really care because I wanted it that bad and it's worth that much to me. And I guess it's hard to say what a good deal in this is because I don't know how much you would have to pay to get one in a Louis Vuitton store because they don't sell them. So I don't know. I don't know, girl. But I paid $100 for this and I have no regrets. I'm gonna pop that right here. That is so cute. Okay, the next thing I got was this puffball keychain thing. This right here is proof that I have wanted this bag since 2016. Like when I was manifesting getting this bag for myself way back in the day, I always pictured it with a black puffball on it and a luggage tag. So I'm so happy that I finally like have it and it looks exactly how I wanted it to. So if I don't end up liking this, it's okay, but I got it to make my inner child happy and it's working. I like that a lot. I thought it was gonna be too big, but I actually think it's perfect. Look at her! Oh my god, she's so cute. I definitely think I want to get maybe one more charm of some sort to add to this bag, preferably a gold one. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments or what you think would look good on my new bag. Finally, the last thing that I got, this is like the least exciting, but I got a base shaper. I don't really know if I'm gonna like a base shaper or not, and I don't know if I'm gonna like the sag or not when I start adding things in here. Trial and error, you know? And I got both the base shaper and the puffball on Amazon, so I will leave my links to those in the description for you. Look how cute she is! Oh, I love her. You guys have no idea how happy this makes me. If that means I'm shallow, I literally don't even care. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post videos every single week, and I will be posting a what's in my bag video very soon for this bag. So turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss it. Also, follow me on Instagram. I've been working so hard on my feed and my posts, and I have way more subscribers on here than I have followers on my personal Instagram. So please, I beg of thee, follow me on Instagram at Brittany Lee Campbell. Enjoy the rest of your day or your night. I love you so much. Bye.